What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install drivers or NVIDIA GPU drivers using the brand new NVIDIA app. Before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Woo! Always a mouthful. So I'm going to put a link to the NVIDIA app in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on that to follow along. But we're going to click on the download now button, and it's going to download in the top right corner. We're going to click on the NVIDIA app. A user access control prompt will pop up. Go ahead and click on yes, and the app will begin to install. So let me go ahead and move this over to the side here so you can see it. We're going to agree and continue. It does not like to be on the side, but that's okay. We'll just leave it there. And your screen might blink a little bit as it installs initial drivers, but the actual drivers are going to be installed in a later step. So here is the app. It says, this is the new app. It's 11.0.1. Let's go ahead and click close. And to update your drivers, all you need to do is head over to drivers, as you would suspect, and you'll see that there is an update available for my system. So all I need to do is choose whether I want the game ready driver or the studio driver. I'm going to choose the game ready driver and then click install. This will prompt us to choose express installation or custom installation. We're going to go ahead and choose custom, but you can feel free to choose express as well. This will show us what we're actually installing. So we're going to install the graphics driver, the PhysX system software, and the HD audio driver. You can also choose to do a clean installation, which resets all of your configuration settings and removes older driver files. I'm not going to do that because mine works fine. Most people don't need to do this, but if you are having issues with your driver, you might want to check this and install it that way. But I'll click on continue, and the driver is installing. Easy as that. We'll wait for this to finish up. As you can see, GeForce at CES 2025. I'm actually going to be at CES this year, so I'll be sure to stop by their booth and let you know what they're up to. And again, your screen may flash during this process because it is installing the graphics driver itself, which powers your monitor. So don't worry, don't panic and shut down your computer. Just let it finish through. It won't take too long. All right, so the graphics driver has finished installing. We can see that the status is installed. A newer or same version was present for the PhysX system software, and a new audio driver was installed. Great. So we can click on close, and it shows as installed. If it's ever giving you errors, there's now a reinstall button we can use to actually reinstall it from the UI itself. But yeah, that's it for this one. That's how to install your NVIDIA drivers. In the future, I'll probably do a video on configuring your system in NVIDIA settings. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.
That's that digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the